Welcome to Katathani Beach Resort in Phuket. Chanadda Restaurant specializes in royal Thai cuisine. One of the most popular appetizers that we will be introducing to you today is Chor Muang Savoey or Thai Steamed Flower Dumpling.
สวัสดีค่ะ My name ชมสิริดีเบาค่ะ
Ingredients for Chor Muang Savoey: Thai steamed dumplings. Chicken filling: minced chicken, half a cup. Vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. Herbs: coriander, root, garlic, and pepper, 1 tablespoon each. Onions, 1 tablespoon. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Palm sugar, 1 tablespoon. And fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. Dough flour mixture: butterfly pea water or purple food coloring, half a cup. Rice flour, half a cup. Glutinous rice flour, 1 tablespoon. Tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon. Arrowroot starch, 2 teaspoons. Vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon. And coconut milk, 1 tablespoon. Part 1. Cooking the chicken filling. In a frying pan, add vegetable oil on medium heat. Number 2. Add herbs, coriander root, garlic, pepper, and stir fry until a fragrant aroma is received. Add minced chicken. Season with fish sauce, sugar, and palm sugar. Use a spatula and break up the chicken into smaller pieces during frying until cooked. The filling should not be too moist, as it is difficult to wrap it into the dough later. Put on a dish and set aside for 10 minutes. Part 2. Preparing the dough. Mix all the floury ingredients together, which includes the rice flour, glutinous rice flour, tapioca flour, and arrowroot starch. Add the vegetable oil. Add the coconut milk, followed by the butterfly pea water or the purple food coloring. Heat the oil over low heat in a small pan. Mix well until there are no flour lumps and it thickens. Set aside on a plate with a little bit of rice flour and tapioca flour for 10 minutes. Dip your fingers into the tapioca flour first, prior to picking up the filling. Shape dough to a round disc. Add the chicken filling into the center, then roll it into a ball. We will then use the tweezers to make a flower shape. Dust with some tapioca flour in between the crimps, otherwise it will stick onto the tweezers. Prepare a steamer on high heat, then place the dough in it. Steam the dumplings for 10 minutes. After they're done, brush the surface of the dumplings with a little bit of vegetable oil to give it a little shine. Scoop the dumplings into a serving plate and serve with vegetables, chili, and coriander. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your delicious dumplings. For this dish and many more, we hope that you visit us at Katathani Beach Resort.